Start by adding the already cooked beans here into the very hot oil. This step will give an incredible flavor to the preparation. I have here 18 ounces of cooked beans. Let these beans fry until they start to take on a golden color. Now just let the beans fry and continue with the recipe. Look how the beans have started to brown. They are almost at the ideal point. Now add 2 onions and mix them with the beans. Let everything fry very well. Meanwhile, prepare the omelet base for our recipe. Add 6 eggs here in the bowl. This will be the creamy base of our recipe. It will be a really delicious bean omelet recipe with an incredible texture. After tasting it, you will not stop making it at home. I assure you that your whole family will love the result. It is a perfect option to break out of the daily routine. It is delicious. If you like eating beans at home, this is a very different and creative recipe. Also, it is very easy and quick to prepare. Very tasty and perfect for sharing. Now add salt to season our omelet. This will help enhance all the flavors. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Also add some spices like basil and a little bit of chili flakes. This detail makes all the difference in the final result. And now just mix everything very well with the eggs. Now go back to our beans and turn off the heat. The onion is already well browned and the aroma is wonderful. Now just remove the beans. Let the oil drain a little and add them to the egg mixture. I already took all the beans out of the pan. Place everything in here and now mix again to combine. Add chopped chives and cilantro. This gives a wonderful flavor and a very fresh color to our recipe. That touch of herbs cannot be missing. Mix well and now move to the pan. I already combined the fresh herbs into our mixture. Now transfer it to the pan where I already heated some oil. Place all our preparation here. Leave on low heat, cover and cook for about 10 minutes. The golden color it takes is simply perfect. Now that it has already cooked on one side, turn off the heat and with the help of this plate, flip our recipe. Place it back in the pan to cook the other side so it gets nice and golden and appetizing. This ensures a very even cooking on both sides. Add cheese so it gets even tastier. Put grated mozzarella cheese on top. This touch of melted cheese is irresistible. Put plenty of cheese so the result is really delicious. Also place a few slices of salami. Use the cold cut you prefer and a pinch of oregano on top. Now just cover it again. Now the recipe starts to take its final form. Turn on the heat and leave on low temperature for about 5 minutes. And now remove our recipe. Our delicious bean pie is now ready. After you try this very special recipe, I assure you that you will love it. You will want to prepare it all the time. Even children who do not like beans will love to eat them after trying this delight at home.